Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Here comes the lamp pan. So this is the old style one where we used to use it long back. Now we got it in Ikea. It has the max capacity of 40 watt. Like this it will be, then you can move it like this. And here when you check, it says MRP 866 and more, but we got it at very low price for 499. And here you can see how it is, and when you turn it up you can see this is how you need to unbox it. I have already unboxed one of the lamp pan, so let me pull it up here. So here you can see how does it looks when you unbox it. So now here you can see this is the same one which we have used, and here you can see like this there's a wire. So I'll show you how to remove it as well. Before that, let me show you the wire. So here comes the wire with switch. So you can just keep the lamp nearby you, and if you want to turn off you can just turn off this one. And let me connect it to the switchboard. So here comes the switchboard. I'm going to connect it, and now you can see the bed lamp is ready. So like this you can see the bed lamp. And let me show you the bulb as well, which I have used in here. So let's turn off the light so that it can focus more, the camera can focus more on the candle lamp. So here it is of 220 watts to 240 watt clear light, and this is how it looks. And when you see at the bottom here you can see it is of 25 watts, which I've selected because 40 watt was like more than a ceiling light, so I have used this 25 watts. If you get less than 15 also it's fine. And here you can see the MRP is just 36, but where in Ikea I have got it for more price, so I did not prefer it. So here comes the bulb. I'm going to remove it and show you how it looks. So this is the bulb whichever you have to buy, and this should be just as your finger, I can say is just the size of your finger, where you can buy it easily, and you can say them that it's a thread bulb which you want. So let me put inside, and now when we try to open it, so all you need is just rotate it like this, or else just you need to push it from here. All you need is push this upside, and you can put it aside, and this is how the bulb looks, or how you need to put the bulb. Let me show you the thread of the bulb as well. So here comes the bulb, and here comes the bulb thread, as you can see here. So all you need is put inside and just rotate. So once you've done the full rotate, you can just again place this like this. All you need is press. That's it. This is how the bulb works. And ta-da! That's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon please. If I found the link in the below description, I can share you directly in the description after this video. Keep subscribing.